Good morning, I'm Kensei and welcome to Dragontrek. Today is day 16 and as you can see we're night hiking again, woohoo! We're going 12 miles to set us up for a short day into Franklin. Yesterday I encountered another hiker who usually started hiking around noon and hiked to about 9 p.m. Probably because that's the working hours he was used to. However, that would change in the summer when he would hike in the mornings, rest in the hottest part of the day, and hike at night again. Sounds interesting, maybe something to try, see how that affects the views. Okay, see you when we have something to see. So we've passed the sunrise. We can actually see again, and this morning the obstacle course, this Appalachian Trail in North Carolina, continues, and they've even added water features this morning. In addition to that, I've been silk blazing for the first time, and for those who are not aware of that term, spiders build their webs across the Appalachian Trail, and if you're the first one to encounter it, you probably walk into it or otherwise tear it down, clearing the way for those who come behind you, thus silk blazing. Other than that, the trail is much as it was before. Toilet area, not a privy, a toilet area. What's the difference? If you know or have a theory, please comment down below.
What? Gothenburg to visit Buck, in Stockholm to visit Mick and Jana.
Quinn! Say hi! Hi!
Hi, Quinn.
Say hi! Go like this. Look that way! Look that way!
No.
Hi! That's cool, it has the screen on the outside.
Yeah, and I have a screen on my side as well, so you, either whatever way the camera's looking, nice. I can see
what's happening.
Yes, yeah.
Cool.
So that's cool. So when did you guys start hiking?
In St. Patrick's Day. Friday's the 17th.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I started Monday the 13th.
Very nice.
So you're a little faster than I am, which is cool because I'm slow.
Do you have anyone joining you?
No, I'm hiking on my own. I've hiked with some people here and there, but
nice.
but it's usually end up that they are faster than me, and yeah, but it's cool.
Good. That's awesome. Is your family gonna hike with you at all?
No, it's just me. My mom thinks I'm a little. She would rather that I stay home, but she's.
Farouk?
Excuse me?
Thinks you're Farouk?
Probably. I'm not sure what that word means, but
German it means crazy.
yeah, probably a little bit. Yeah,
Like,
but
crazy. Like.
yeah. But I mean, she knows this is what I want to do, so she accepts that. But she would prefer if I didn't. She's worried, even though I'm of a certain age. But
Mom's always worried.
yes, that's what she tells me.
Yeah. Okay.
Right.
Yeah.
Alrighty. Have a good
hike.
one.
Thank you. You too. What kind of bird is that? Comment down below. Well, I am not going up that way with the camera in one hand. I mean, that looks pretty doable, but this part, no. Views. This is quite the view. There's even a lower view. This is a trail, and if we lift our eyes, we have a fire tower right about there, which is at approximately 100-mile marker. I'm going to hike up that hill. This is going to be brutal. Hello.
How are you?
Pretty good, you?
Good.
Good. Well, soon we'll be up at the top of that.
I guess that's where we're headed.
Yeah. And what does that says? Barren Gap, maybe? Bear Pen Gap. And the cars you hear in the background, I'm assuming they're the ones that, yeah, there were dogs in them. They have been running the dogs I've been hearing and seeing this morning. And two even encountered me as I was picking up my Nalgene bottle after the 4th time it fell out of my backpack and rolled down the hill. Fortunately, it didn't roll all the way down the hill. That would have been a mess, and it would have been 1 water bottle less. Just have 0.7 liters instead of 1.7 liters, which I guess is one way to lighten my load. So this is the trail. Rocks and up and up and up, and somewhere I can't really see where the trail goes from there, but I can see a white blaze up there. It does not look fun, but I gotta get up there. So let's get going. That's the white blaze I saw from the bottom. And I had to use my hands, I mean literally hands on the ground, to be able to get up that rock. Behind that corner there's a staircase, logs and a metal fence. Yeah, let's call it a fence. Sort of metal fence mounted on wood to get better traction to get up there. That was a little sketchy, but This was insane. What am I doing? What am I doing? I mean, I'm here voluntarily. I could quit anytime. Continue will hurt. Quitting will hurt. Well, and as if you think we're done. No, we're not done. We have to go up, and I think up there is oh, wow. The obstacle course that is the AT in North Dakota. What can I say? Well, if you thought that the first part of getting up here was bad, you got another thing coming. This section right here, I had to literally throw up my trekking poles and climb with both hands, knees on the ground. This is not hiking, this is climbing. This is not what I signed up for. Still, I'm pushing forward. I'm not stopping here. I've overcome that, and we have more stairs in our future. Oh, and something else. My Nalgene bottle fell out a 5th time. Right down there. Fortunately, it fell to the side and maybe just a foot or 30 centimeters down and landed pretty safely. I have placed it differently than previously, which means I can't access it while hiking. So I have to survive on the water in the other bottle until I get to a place where I can do something about it. I hope that place is soon. Watchtower. It's locked. You can't get up to the platform. And for those of you who have watched YouTube videos about the Appalachian Trail before, knows exactly what's coming up. For those of you that don't, there it is, 100 miles. And now I get emotional. I could see it, experience, I'm here, no emotion, and now I'm gonna tell you about it. Wow. Okay, let's get a picture of me, well, part of me. Let's see. 100 miles, woohoo! And the view, okay. Of course, this tower isn't exactly on the 100-mile point. It used to be, from what I've heard. People move the trail, so sometimes what's a specific mileage might not be the exact same mileage next year. Just like the approach trail used to be part of the Appalachian Trail, but isn't any longer. But yeah, this is still a place most people on YouTube celebrate that they've done 100 miles. Woohoo! Wow, 100 miles. That's just 2,100 miles to go. Yeah, I'm taking a bit of a break here. I do not like the climb to get up here. I hope the north side is nicer, but I'm not expecting it. This is North Carolina. This is the obstacle course of the AT. But yeah, it's good to be here. I got some trail magic. So I have, not right now obviously since I'm talking about it, I have a lollipop in my mouth. Try not to suck on it while I'm filming. Well, the way down from Albert Mountain was much better than the way up. So I do not want to do that again. Hi, this is Editing Kansai. Unfortunately, I forgot to shoot an ending of today's hike. So keep on checking.